You know what time it is. What's up, guys? Welcome back to Baked Foods. Today in this video, we're going to be making bruschetta. Bruschetta bread. Such a good appetizer, tapas, whatever you want to call it. So good. I mean, you can use this recipe with chicken, with pasta, but we're just going to do it as an app on some toasted bread.
A little bit of feta cheese on top, a little bit of balsamic reduction glaze.
It's gonna be good.
Now, to chop our ingredients. Fine tomatoes, Roma tomatoes, diced white onion with a little bit of green onion, and some green onion, chive, and power greens. Okay, so we're going to start with just a squeeze of our squeezed garlic. We're going to add just a touch of olive oil, a little bit of our balsamic vinegar, and we're going to mix that up. Then, in go the tomatoes. Give that a good mix. And then next in, add our vine ripened tomatoes. Get a lot of juices from the tomatoes in there. All the acidity from the tomatoes. And that's going to help break down these onions here, so it won't be as sharp. It's almost like a pico de gallo in a way, but more Italian for sure.
Bruschetta. The Italian pico de gallo.
Black pepper. Of course, sea salt. Italian seasoning. Don't be afraid to really get a nice coat on that.
Okay.
And then we're going to set it in the fridge to cool and let those flavors really permeate while we get that bread nice and toasted. Now you get a nice drizzle without compromising, fully saturating the bread, and then you just soggy. Take that together. Nobody likes soggy bread. Another thing that helps crisp bread up is just a little touch of sea salt over top.
Got most of it on his foot, I think.
Impeccable. So now they're pretty and nice and dense. Just gonna go ahead and throw this in here, about 3 minutes either side. Just let it crisp up a little bit here. We got our oven preheated to 400 degrees. Just under. Oh yeah. Got our bruschetta that's been chilling in the fridge now for, what would you say, about 30, 45 minutes?
Yeah, almost an hour, I think.
Yeah, give that a nice mix. You can really smell, and you can see the color difference too. It's definitely starting to set in a little more.
Oh yeah, this looks good.
Beautiful.
Too much on it.
Feta cheese on that, nice. Boom. Set cheese on that, lovely. Gonna get a little bit of our balsamic reduction glaze here.
Just painting a picture. Beautiful.
Slight touch of Italian. A little bit of liveliness. And then our mixed power greens and green onions. That should be delicious.
That's beautiful.
Appetizers done.
You guys, it's all about that. I got stuff all over my face. It's all about that balsamic glaze. Holy cow.
It just balances everything out. You got the acidity from the tomatoes, the crispy crunchiness from the bread, that little bit of garlic that penetrates through from there, and then that nice light green onion on it, and then that sweet balsamic glaze with the sweetness of the feta cheese just balances everything out in perfect harmony. Oh my goodness.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this episode of Bakes Food. If you like what you saw, please give us a thumbs up, give us a like, subscribe for more videos, and let us know what you think in the comments section below, what you want to see us make.
Meanwhile,
Until the next one.
I'll be getting busy.
That's a bit weird. Bendy spoon, you know.